Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, May 23rd, and I'm going to be analyzing the DXY and the US dollar index, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame. So on the DXY monthly, I still think this looks like a big ABC correction. We got an uptrend for the A, 3 waves down for the B, and another uptrend for the C with a big impulsive move to the downside. So if this really is the end of an ABC correction, then this will end up making lower lows, lower highs, probably eventually going all the way down and taking out that low. So let's look at that on the weekly time frame, which is where I switch back to the dollar index. On the weekly time frame is where I see what looks like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, probably a wave 1, but could possibly be a wave A. I think we're most likely in a correction to this downtrend, which is most likely a wave 2, but could possibly be a wave B. And I would expect the next move to end up being a wave 3, but if it is a wave C, then we should be able to recognize that by seeing an impulsive move up and a breakup structure. So let's keep going down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, it definitely looks like we're in an uptrend right here. I think this is an uptrend back here. It looks like an A. This looks like an A, B, C of B. And it looks like we're in an uptrend right now for the wave C, which I think is eventually going to end up looking something like that. Probably taking out this high. Probably going to be an A, B, C of 2. Eventually making a pulse move down, take out structure, and end up continuing the downtrend. So let's head down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, we're still making higher highs, higher lows. As you can see, we got higher low, higher low. This move up is definitely looking a little corrective on the shorter time phase, but on the higher time phase, it's still pretty impulsive, and I'm still thinking that it is going to just keep on going up. I am definitely still looking for longs, at least until I get a break of structure to the downside. So let's head down to the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, like I said, it is definitely looking a little corrective up, but this right here I think is the trend. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then it's making what looks like a trend up also. It's just kind of a flat trend. We are bouncing out to 78.6, so if it does go down, if it does take out structure, that may convince me that it's a wave B and that it's going to go down and make a C before it actually ends up continuing the uptrend, which if that's what it does would be a completely normal looking pattern. But I also think that it's very likely that it's just going to keep on drifting up, making higher lows, higher lows, higher lows, and higher lows the whole way up. So unless it actually goes down and takes out some major structure, which I think that right there is the last major structure, then I'm just going to continue to look for longs in an uptrend, especially on these shorter time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.